movie.
Hello? Who is this? Chucky says he's gonna beat them cheeks. Chucky can't even beat his own meat. Please say something. It's because of the way I look, isn't it? For pity's sake. Please wake up. Wake up?
Subscribe my YouTube channel. Come on.
Shit face. Now what kind of a name is that? Where's your mother and father? Judging from that face, my guess is they're hiding. Shut up, you asshole. Well, come on. It looks like it's definitely you. Hello? We clapping your sister's cheeks like a round of applause. It's not fair! You guys are always hanging out without me, bro! Hello? Your mom was grazing me last night. I'll graze my machete through you if you talk about my mom again. Hello? Your mother sucks cocks in hell. Ronald, don't play that shit. Cocks in hell. I'm gonna gut the two of you when I find you fuckers. Hey Billy, is it true Mary gives a good fisting when you talk? Shh. Your mother sucks cocks in hell. Tiffany is gonna beat your ass when she finds you, bitch! Your mother sucks cocks in hell. Welcome to my home. Your mother sucks cocks in hell. Why won't you party with me for your birthday, My boy Freddy I want to play a game. Your mother sucks cocks in hell. I miss the old days when no one knew who I was.
Yes, come on, quick. Do you want to take one hot? You come quick.
Thank you for watching.